this is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one I'm going to show you how you can set up your faucet, your tap, and replace with the old one. So I have one new tap for you guys here. So I'm going to assemble this one. Size and everything is look fine. To that place, that old one that is leaking water. I have an unboxing video of this one. This is from Alpine Home, premium quality of tap. You can see how beautiful with matte black finishing. So I'm going to show you how you can assemble this one and replace with the old one. First of all, before doing anything, you have to close your water supply. Here I have. So I will close this all. So it's totally off water. See, no more water because it will leak. Now a few things you have to do. We have to prepare our faucet. In this case, it's coming with different things. This will go here. See? You see, this will hold. Explain you a little bit. And this will go from the bottom to hold there, this one. We have different pipes. You see here, this is red, means is hot, and the blue here is cold. And we have different tools here. For example, I have this one, these tools, and this washer will put different places. It comes with two of them. Okay, so first thing first, to check here, you see, so blue this side, red other side. So we take the blue one and we have to tighten this one. And many times we have so much inside this one you can't see properly, but this one luckily it's almost outside, so you have to tighten this one. So before tightening, this should be go inside. See here, some line till this part, it will go here. This I put, you see, as this. Should be here when you're tightening. Now we can tighten this one properly. Let's see. It has some rubber, so you will feel when it's tight properly. Tight little bit more. Now you can see this one. I'm tightening. So this is our base is ready. This one, not more. So all is ready to assemble now. We have to take the old tap in this case. So we'll go down now. You see here, these are the two. We have to loose, and you see how the old one we have here, we have some knot, we have to lose it. You see, some drop of water. You see, as I predicted, always things of water comes water. If you have some issue as this, you can loose at the top this one. From here, you see. It has 1, 2 here, so I'm losing this one. So I lose both of the nuts. Now we'll go at the top. Take the old one out. From here, you see. See how it is? After pressing much time, I could take this off. see how it is coming out. See here we have one washer black, so you can see here how it is here, this one. So one washer we have new, we have to put, you see, we have here, put one at the here, this side, and another will be other side. You see how it is, this side when you have lines it should be up as this, and the bottom, this will be from bottom, or if you want put one, depends. Okay, let's go, let's take this out. You see how it is, you see, should go exactly there, and you align them, align it. How beautiful this one. So it looks all fine. We'll go down and we'll tight this one, you see. Let's see, all is ready. Now I have to tight. Let's see. See how it is going. This will hold the faucet, the tap. Perfect, looks good. And now we have to put hot into hot, cold into cold. You see red one here, this side. We'll tie this one and this one as well. So all looks good here. Let's see our tap, looking good, cool. All you see how is the bottom, everything is fine. And now we'll start slowly here. Keep little bit here, little bit this side. So this one is working, this side is working, the middle working as well. So this is the way you can assemble faucet or tap to your toilet or kitchen. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.